everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to see how many hours you have played Roblox. Now to do that, first thing, open the Roblox application on your phone device. So the thing is that Roblox application does not have an option to do this, but there is a way how you can find how many hours you have played Roblox, but you cannot do it within the Roblox application. For that, you need to go and open the setting on your phone device. Tap open setting. After that, you need to scroll down to the option called battery. You scroll down and go to the battery option. So once you're at the screen on battery, you need to tap on the three dotted lines on the top right. The setting is different with each phone. So what you need to do is you go to the battery, and in the battery screen piece, you need to go and find the battery uses option. For this Android, you tap on the three dotted lines on the top right and then go to battery uses. Tap that. Now once you open the battery uses option, you can see the Roblox on top and used for 4 minutes just below that. So this is a way how you can find how many hours you have spent on Roblox. This will also detect the time of hours that you have used the application for playing in Roblox. So this is a way how you can find how to see how many hours you have played Roblox on your phone device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.